So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with various important opportunity from many company like the CGI and other hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some important technical or training, then this video is for you. So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं first important role and that is for from the CGI. So they are hiring for the role of Java full stack developer engineer and junior means freshers can apply for this. The job locations will be Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, and this is a full-time role. So don't miss that, especially if you have some experience in this, then you can apply for this. Moving to next important opportunity, and this is also a good opportunity, that is for the role of Java backend engineer, and job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. So if you want, you can apply for that. Company name is Correctly AI. So knowledge of AI and other things are there. The talking about the roles and responsibilities. So you will design, build, and maintain backend services and API using Java and Spring Boot. Write clean, efficient build structure and production quality codes, and review code, and all the things are there. So if you have are from computer science other background, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The job locations for this is Bengaluru. Moving to next, that is for the role of quality analyst. Freshers are welcome. So 0 to 1 year means freshers can apply. The main thing is you should be having good communication skill and good analytical skill. So if you are interested, you can directly share your resume to the HR. Moving to next important opportunity, that is for the role of side is hiring for the role of trainee test engineer, and the this is a walk-in drive. So the date is 27 to 29th May 2026, Wednesday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 12:30, and this is a contractual role. So if you want, you can walk in there, and for locations and other, you can just see here. Okay, so this is a golden opportunity. Now अगर location आप देख सकते हैं तो you will be getting redirected to Google Map and you can search this. So if the job locations will be Bengaluru obviously, and the company name is Side. So you can directly apply for them. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Airbus. So they are hiring for the role of system engineer maintenance. So if you are the freshers and have some knowledge in software and other, especially from BE, BTech, ME, MTech in aerospace, computer science, IT, electrical or electronics engineering, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The proficiency in quickly grasping technical details and strong or good communication skills are required. So this is a permanent role, and entry level means freshers can apply for this. Remember friends, by submitting your CV, update the CV according to the job role and description. Okay, in every video I'm saying those who are applying with updated resume are also getting reward, like from the IBM company, Cisco. So I've already provided updates to all those jobs. So apply with updated resume. Okay, in every video I'm saying, and don't depend on college. Make sure to keep applying for off-campus drive. Moving to next, that is from the Nimlix Technology. They are hiring for the locations of Bengaluru, Karnataka, and this is a full-time hybrid role. You can expect the salary till 30K per month, and these are the skills required, like the full stack development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, Python programming, and Python foundations. So if you're interested, you can apply for that. Moving to next and last opportunity, that is from the ACA Global. They are hiring for the role of associate application support engineer, and the job locations is Pune. So these will be your roles and responsibility, like the testing means good knowledge of REST API and Postman other are required, and you will be basically debugging the codes, and you will manage the logging, monitoring, and updating priority tasks. So preferred educational experience means if you have some knowledge of troubleshooting and other, then there is strong chance of getting reward, and these are the qualifications and others. So just refer to the apply link in the description and apply as soon as possible. I hope this video informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here, comment here. I will be very happy to help you, and you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram group for getting such important updates, and we can connect on LinkedIn or Insta anywhere. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.